sharing a hot and spicy recipe, which can be prepared at your home, and can be very delicious to eat. To make this dish, you need small amount of dried red spice, capsicum, carrot, tomato, boiled potatoes, breadcrumb, and mozzarella cheese, for giving the dish a creamy and greasy texture. At first, smashing the boiled potatoes. Now mixing all the ingredients with the boiled potatoes properly. Now preparing small balls from it. Preparing a bowl of maida, in English known as white flour. Dipping the ball in the bowl, and dressing the ball with breadcrumb. Frying the ball in cooking oil till it turns reddish brownish in color. After it is cooked, taking it out on a plate and dressing it with capsicum, carrot, cube cheese, and dried red chili. Lastly, applying sweet and chili sauce. Serve it hot and eat it hot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
Very nice to eat this. It is very tasty. And spicy.